Oh, what is this? Roblox. It looks so fun. Let's download it and see what it's about. Whoa, okay, let's sign in. We're in. Let's make avatar. Wow, I look so cute. Let's join a game. Ragdoll looks fun. Let's make some friends. Oh, hello.
You a bacon. What do you want, ugly?
First I'm new, second be nice. I'm just looking for some friends.
Yeah, whatever. Our Bubba girl is bullying me.
What?
Shut it, I heard everything. You're being mean. Also, don't call me bub, I'm not even with you.
Anyways, this ugly bacon wanna be our friends.
She can. I don't see a problem.
Yay.
Shut up,
Anyways, wanna play 'em too?
No, that's a stupid game.
Let's play it, whatever.
Okay.
I said no.
Why are you too scared? You're gonna lose.
No, fine. Let's play.
Okay, you'll join me.
Anything for you, BBG.
For the last time, stop calling me that.
That was fun.
Anyways, guys, I may go to bed.
So guys, I was thinking we should show our faces.
Yeah, that sounds good.
No.
Why?
I can't. I have to go.
Haha, you're just scared. Are you secretly 7?
Hey Bacon, stop, she has to go, so back off.
Why are you defending her after how rude she has been?
Because the rude one now is just you.
Haha.
10986 for 1226998696908 for 22786 to 196 to 6999007535555973 to 15909197468 days later. Okay, are you back?
Yes.
Okay, should we show our faces now?
Okay.
Oh, sure.
I'll go first, I guess. This is me.
Oh, wow, you're the cutest.
Thanks.
Cool.
How about you go, Bacon?
Why me first?
Because I'm dying to see how ugly you are, IRL.
Okay, this is me.
You're
show
not
your real
Taylor
face.
Swift.
I am, but how about you go?
That's me.
I saw that on Google.
It's me, dumbass.
Shush, don't be jealous. Bacon, show your real face, or we will kick you.
It's me. Why do you not believe me?
Okay, whatever, kick her out of the group.
Wah. I can't believe they kicked me out. I did not even get their names. Well, they were toxic anyways. Let's find new friends that actually are nice and believe me. ABC to be my friend, looking for friend group.
Hey.
Hi.
Oh, why are you sad?
My old friend group kicked me out because they didn't believe I'm Taylor Swift. Oh, we all believe you. We might just need a little proof. Of course, do you have Snapchat? Yes, we will. Our users are
In Snapchat group.
okay, guys, here is a video. Hold on, can you say our names so we know 100%? My name's Dora. I'm Ava.
And I'm Maria.
She says in video, hi Maria, hi Ava, and hi Dora.
Kitties.
4 months later.
Hello Taylor, you and your friends just went all over the news. You guys are all now rich and famous. You should get $3 billion and your front door soon. You will receive 1 million Robux every second.
Guys.
Yes.
We are full rich and famous.
Oh
Wow.
my.
So guys, this is the end of my story. I hope you enjoyed it.
I'll be sure to make more stories. Thanks for watching 3.